Be honest, how many generic plastic hair clips have you bought, lost, or accidentally snapped in half this year? It's time to retire the boring mass produced hair accessories. Today we are diving into the ultimate yarn craft loophole, crochet hairpins. They are fast, incredibly satisfying to make, and they are hands down the easiest way to add a pop of personality to your daily style. Whether you are a seasoned crocheter looking to clear out your scrap basket or beginner searching for a quick afternoon project, I have got you covered. Stick around because we are counting down over 30 unique design ideas, including a few absolute game changers you have been probably never seen before. Let's get inspired. Let's kick things off with the undisputed queen of the crochet clips world, the Botanical Collection. If you love that dreamy category aesthetic, these are your bread and butter. First up, we have the classic daisies. It's simple, timeless, and look amazing glued onto standard metal snap clips. But if you want to level up, look at these tiny lavender sprigs and micro roses. Here is a quick designer pro tip. Try using lace weight yarn or even embroidered flosses. For these, the finer the thread, the more delicate and high-end hair clip you will look. And don't stop at flowers. Look at the green monstera leaves and tiny heavy veins wrapping around bobby pins. They add a fresh, earthy vibe that makes any outfit feel instantly put together. Next up, we are talking about design, trend, taking over social media, miniature foods. Honestly, there is something intensely joyful about a tiny, textured strawberry sitting on your hair clip. Look at the slice of citrus clips, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. They are absolutely perfect for summers. And if you want a design that instantly starts conversations, check out the mini fried egg or this tiny avocado where the pit is actually a little brown bread. These designs are playful, incredibly fun to stitch, and make the perfect handmade gift for friends who love a bit of quirky, nostalgic style, plus they only take about 15 minutes to complete. If food designs aren't your thing, how about some woodland creatures or whimsical insects? Bumblebees and butterflies are classic for a reason. Because of how they sit on their hair clips, they actually look like they have been landed gently on your hair. But if you want to stand out, you have to try Froggy Clips trend. A simple green semicircle with two tiny black and white eyes can turn an ordinary metal slide into the most adorable statement piece. Or look at these mini cat ear clips. You can slide them right into spaghetti or space buns for an instant cute festival look. They use such a tiny amount of yarn that you can make a whole zoo of them using just your leftover scrap. Now what if your style is a bit more clean and modern and underrated? You don't have to stick to the ultra cute or bright design. Crochet can be incredibly chic. Take a look at these ribbed rectangular clips in earthy neutrals, terracotta,